All right, so I said before you do anything, let's continue. Let's continue. Before you start designing a website, the first thing you need to do is to what? On your XAMPP, which is your local server. On your XAMPP, which is your local word server. And I just, opened my XAMPP. So the next thing you want to do here, you want to click on Start Apache. Once you start Apache, then you want to click on Start MySQL. So meaning your Apache must start and your MySQL must start reading. I repeat myself, you must start your Apache and you must start your MySQL. Yeah. Now, if you've created and you followed our step the previous time, you should be able to have your admin dashboard. So I am just going to go ahead and log into my admin dashboard, which I created last week. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to go to my browser, and I'm going to type localhost slash. Now, once you type localhost slash, you must put the name of the folder you saved your file inside. Remember, you must put the name of the folder. So since you are telling localhost to look for the name. I use tutorial on mine. Localhost should look for the name tutorial. Now, if it has found tutorial, it should open the file that is called what? WP-admin. So, meaning for you to log into your admin dashboard, anytime you want to log into your admin dashboard, be it offline or be it online, you must, if it is online, the name of your domain.com or the extension /WP-admin. That is how to log into the dashboard. WP-admin. Then, if it is offline, if you are building offline, it's localhost slash the name of the folder you saved your file /WP-admin. If your folder is not correct, it's going to bounce it back. It will tell you error. So now, if my folder is not correct, it's going to tell me, but let me log in. Now, as you can see, it showed me not found. Are you seeing it? It has showed me not found. Now, who can tell me the reason why it showed me that not found? Someone should tell me why it showed me not found. Please, someone should tell me, why did it show me not found? Why did it show me not found? Someone should tell me, why did it show me not found? Yes, because my file name is not correct and my folder name is not correct. My folder name is not correct. So you must, like I said, you must know your folder name. If your folder name is not correct, it will not log you in. So now let me go to my local drive, XAMPP, and go and check my folder name. So I'll come to this place. I'll go to my local disk. I will open my XAMPP. Yeah? I'll open my XAMPP. Then I'll open my HT docs. Then I will look for that folder that I created. What is the name of the folder that I created? You must check the name of the folder that you created. If not, you will not go anywhere. If not, you are not going anywhere. So I will check on the folder name. Which name did I use in creating that folder? Which name did I use in creating the folder that we did last week? Let's check. Is it Springs? Was it Springs? Did I use Springs? Was it Dashboard? No. Now, if you are confused on the name, you can go and check your PHP My Admin. So let me go and check my PHP My Admin. Let me just come back here, localhost/PHP My Admin. Let me log into my PHP my admin. Let me see if I'll remember the name of the folder from my database name. Let me see if I remember the name of my folder from my database name. I think so this is what you get if you forget your folder name. This is what you get. Let me see. I think I can remember the name. What was which name did I use? Okay, I have gotten the name, guys. I have gotten the name. I have gotten the name. I have gotten the name. The name I used was TikTok class. The name of the folder I used was TikTok class. So let me go back. I'll go back and type um I'll go back and type TikTok class. Then I'll put slash WP admin. Then I'll log in. So if it is correct, it's going to open your what? Tell you to log into your username and log in with your username and password to your admin dashboard. So if it is not correct, you are going to start all over again to build everything. But if it is correct, you are going to log in using the username and password that you created. Remember, we created a username and a password when we were trying to install and configure our WordPress. Yeah. So we are going to log in using that username and password. So let's wait for it to load and open. So Mr. Smog, as you are watching it, just try to know where you did a mistake in your own side. I don't know if you understand. All right, as you can see, it has taken me to login. Now I am going to log in using the username and password that I use. I think I use admin. Let me see if I'm correct. I think I used admin. So once it is correct, it's going to log you to your dashboard. All right, it is correct. It has logged me to my dashboard. Yeah. Now this is my dashboard. Now, if you know you did exactly what we did last week and you got to this place, I want you to drop an emoji. Drop an emoji on the comment section. If you did exactly what I did and you got to this very place of the admin dashboard, I want you to drop an emoji. Drop an emoji on the on the comment section. If you got exactly what I did and you got the admin dashboard and you are there, you arrived at this very admin dashboard, please. Dr. Hi, that's good. Christian, you are just joining today. Oh, no problem, no problem. You can follow up. So it is only Dr. Hi that got that. All right. Mr. Andy, you are yet to get there. Mr. Andy is yet to get there. Yemi Brass, first timer. All right. Just follow up. Just follow up. So it's only Dr. Hi. Wow, this is very unfair. Mr. Fix It, you are joining today. Wow, welcome, welcome. As many that are joining today, please just follow up. Just follow up. As many that are joining today, just follow up. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. So now, the video that I sent that everyone should go and watch that video and understand this admin dashboard. Yeah, if you watch that video, you see that on our dashboard, on our left hand, we have home, update, post, media, pages, comment. Let me zoom it so that it will be big enough. Let me zoom it a bit. We have appearance, plugins. Now, I want you to understand something. Omolabake, I'm sorry for the pronunciation. Thank you very much. Now, I want you to understand something. WordPress or web designing using WordPress, it works with what we call theme and plugins. It works with what? Theme and plugin. So you must use a desired theme and you must use a desired plugin. Yeah, if you want to get the video, go to our YouTube channel or go to our Telegram group. go to our YouTube channel or go to our Telegram group. We always post a replay there. All right. Don't worry, just stay with us. At the end of this class, we'll still repeat it. Just stay with us. Just focus and learn for the now. All right. Now, like I said, web designing using WordPress. YouTube channel is Learn with Omatech. Learn with Omatech. Okay, let me just quickly do this. If you want to join the group, go to Telegram and type Learn with Omatech. You are going to see this. We have 3.3K subscribers. We have 3.3K subscribers. So go and join class. We always post our replay here. Go and join class. Go to Telegram and type Learn with Omatech. We always post our replay there. Is that okay? So let me continue. Now, web designing using WordPress have to do with what? Theme and appearance. Now, these very two things, they are very important. You see theme here, you see plugin here. Meaning under appearance, you see theme and you see what? Plugins. It is very, very important. Now, what is the function of your theme and what is the function of your plugin? I repeat myself, what is the function of your theme and what is the function of your plugin? Now, your theme, the function of your theme is just like what we call a framework. If you are conversant with programming, there's what we call framework. Now, it's just like something that can lay a foundation, something that can lay a foundation for you to start on or for you to stand on. That is what theme. It's just like an iframe. It's just like a foundation. Now, what is plugins? Plugins, these are the modules. These are the features. These are the functionality of that very theme. Plugins are the functionality of your website. It is with the help of plugins that most of your website features are working if you are using web design. Is that okay? So now we are going to be using themes and we are going to be using plugin. Now, for the purpose of this class, what we are going to be using, we are going to use a theme that is called Hello Elementor, and we are going to use a plugin that is called Elementor. I repeat myself, for the purpose of this class, we are going to learn how to build a website using what? Elementor. We are going to learn how to build a website using WordPress and Elementor. Elementor is a page builder that enables you to build your website. Just like the example of a school website I am building right now. This is a school website that I am building for a school in Benin City, Edo State. Are you getting me? Now, this is my back end. This is the Elementor I am talking about. This is where I am building the website. Anything I build here, if I come to the live preview, I'm going to see it here. Are you getting it? So I started this project this evening. At the end of this training, at the end of this course, you should be able to build a professional website as this. Now, when building your site must be responsive if you turn it to mobile view. As you can see, I have turned it to mobile view. So for you to be a professional, you must be able to build a website that can have a what? A mobile view. We call it site responsiveness. If they should shrink it to mobile view, this is mobile view. It should be able to be what? Responsive. If your website is not responsive, you are not yet starting. Is that okay? So we are going to be using what? Hello Elementor as the theme. Then for the plugin, we are going to use what? Elementor. But first of all, let's talk about our dashboard. Let's talk about our dashboard. Now, I will start from post. What is the function of post? What is the function of post? Let me have this question, guys. I have posted this video. I have posted a video that has explained everything about the backend on the Telegram group. Should I forge ahead or I should still explain this backend? Please answer me. Should I forge ahead so that we go straight and learn how to build a website, or I should still talk about this backend? But I have the video, I have posted it on the Telegram group for everyone to watch. Which one do you guys prefer? Should I forge ahead or I should still explain this very back end, guys? Hear me, bro, say explain. Mandy, you are joining late. What happened? Okay, Fred, explain. Omoba, Omolabake one. Explain. Okay, explain. All right, no problem. Let's go ahead. Let me explain. Let me explain. Now, we have what we call post. What is post? Now, this is where you post articles on a website. Take, for instance, you have a blog website and you want to post article. This is a place where you post your article. You come to this post. If you want to create a new article, you click on what? Add new. Are we getting it? So this very place is to post articles. Are we getting it? Then if you want to put categories and tag, this is where you create it. Take, for instance, I want to create a new post. I'll just click on add new. I'll just click on add new, and it's going to take me to a place where I can create my content. Take, for instance, you'll be hired as a content writer. Your own is just to click on that create post. Yeah. Now you put the post title, then the post content. This is where you post the post content. Whenever you are done typing, you publish. That is how to do what? That is how to post. Is that okay? But we are not doing that now. We are not doing that now. So we are just explaining the dashboard, how the dashboard works and how the dashboard functions. Yeah. Now, the next one, we have media. Whenever you upload pictures, any picture you upload is going to appear here on your library. If you click on library, this library contains every picture you will upload. Every picture you are using on this website is going to appear here. If you want to upload new picture, you click on add new or from this place and you upload picture. Now, the next one is pages. If you want to create pages on your website, like where you have your home page, your about page, your services, just like this sample that I just showed you, just like the sample that I showed you, like this school website I told you I'm building. We have home, we have about, history, and the rest. So if you want to create all these kind of pages, this is where you click on it. You click on add new, and you create the page. Take, for instance, you want to create a new page. You click on add new, then you put the page title here. Take, for instance, home page, then you publish. If it is about, you write about, then you publish. If it is contact services, you write services, you publish. Is that okay? Now, comment. Whenever you post an article on your website and someone drops a comment, your comment is going to appear there. I repeat myself, whenever you drop an article on your website and people drop comment, your comment is going to appear here. Now, this appearance is the most important aspect of what your dashboard, because it is from this appearance. If you click on theme, like I said, theme is just like an iframe. Theme is just like an iframe. This is what drives your system. Before you start building any website, you must install a theme. Like I said, theme is just like a foundation. It's just like an iframe, like a foundation that will help you start your project. Now, if you click on this theme, we have three inbuilt theme that follows it. But I don't like using their inbuilt theme. I love using my own theme. So what we are going to do, we are going to download the theme we are going to use. Yes, like a background, like the normal language is a foundation, like an iframe, something that can balance, then you can start building. Are you getting it? So what we are going to do, we are going to download our theme. And the theme I love using is a builder. It has a builder. Are you getting it? So what we are going to do, we are going to our browser and we are going to type Elementor. Or no, let's go to wordpress.org. wordpress.org, and we are going to download the theme and the plugins we are going to use. Remember, I said your dashboard, your website functions with what? Theme and plugins. Without this theme and plugins, your website will not function. So let's go and download the theme and plugin. Now, to download your theme and plugin, come to wordpress.org. Now come to this search button and type the word Elementor. Come to your search button here and type Elementor, like this. Elementor, Elementor, and you search. You are going to search for it here, and it's going to come out. Once it comes out, you're going to click on it and you're going to download. The first result you are seeing is Elementor. You click on it. The first result you are seeing is Elementor. You click on it. Now, Elementor, as you can see, is a website builder. Is a website builder. Please, if you want to learn, yes, you need a laptop, please. You need a laptop. As you can see, I'm using a laptop. I'm using a laptop. Now, Elementor is a page builder. Yes, Drizzy. A theme is also known as what? Template. Yes. Yes. Now, Elementor is a page builder. It's just like programmers. Programmers, we use what we call editor. Now, like I said, I program also. I write code. Now, in programming, we use editor. As you can see, this is what I was trying to do, a project I was trying to do. Now, for programmers, you use what we call editors to write your code. For programmers, you use what we call editors to write your code. But for web designers, you don't need editor. What you need is a builder. And the builder that I love recommending and I love using is called what? Elementor. It's called what? Elementor. Because the reason why I love using Elementor, it enables you to build your website from scratch. Are you getting it? I don't teach people template work. I teach you how you can build your website from scratch so that you can be proud of yourself as a web designer. There are some people that will teach you template work. Getting me? There are some people that will teach you template work. They will just teach you how to go and download templates, import it, change picture, change the write-up, change the color, and you are done. No, you don't call yourself a professional web designer if you are doing that. That is a lazy man job. If you want to become a professional web designer, learn how to build your website from scratch. Learn how to build it yourself. Bropu, thank you very much. Thank you for the gift. Let me follow you. For gifting me, I'll follow you. Thank you. Omobola, I hope I followed you. Let me see if I'm all right. I followed you. All right. So my own is I teach you how you can build your website from scratch. I don't do lazy man job. All those people that do template job, I call them lazy man job. Are you getting me? I call them lazy man job. I'm not saying it's not good, but if you are learning for the first time, learn how to build from scratch. Is that okay? So now, once it opens here, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on download. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not downloading it again. So the next thing you are going to do, you click on download. Are you getting it? Now, after clicking on download, we have downloaded the theme. Fine. Now, after we download the theme, we are going to download the plugins that can make the theme function very well. After downloading the theme, we are going to download the plugins that will make the theme function very well. Are we getting it? So, to do that, Drizzy, thank you very much for the gift. Let me follow you, Drizzy. I just followed you, right? Now, for us to do that, you go back to the wordpress.com. Now, one of the theme we need to download, we are going to download Classic Editor. We are going to download Classic Editor. So you search for Classic Editor. Now, this is Classic Editor. We have Classic Editor Plus. Download Classic Editor. You will see Classic Editor. You will see Yemi Brass. Thank you. Ukamaka. Thank you. I'm going to follow you guys. Yemi Brass. Thank you. I just followed you guys. So now, download Classic Editor, not Classic Editor Plus. Download Classic Editor. Breezy, thank you. Is that okay? So now, we'll download it. All you need to do is click on what? Download. Now, we've downloaded what? Elementor plugin. We've downloaded Classic Editor plugin. Now, let's go and download the theme. I'm sorry, the first one we downloaded was the plugin. Now, let's download the theme. Now, the theme we are downloading right now is Hello Elementor. Come here and type Hello Elementor. Hello Elementor is your theme. Please don't be confused. Hello Elementor is your theme. Elementor and Classic Editor is plugin. I repeat myself. Hello Elementor is a theme. Elementor and Elementor and Classic plugin, they are what? Classic Editor, they are what? Plugin. I repeat myself for the last time. Hello Elementor is theme. Elementor and Classic Editor, they are what? Plugins. Thank you very much. Now, the next thing you are going to do, you look at this Hello Elementor. Yes? You see this Hello Elementor. You are going to what? Download it. You download it. So once you are done downloading it, now we are going to upload it. If you are working online, you don't need to what? Download. You just go to the Elementor stuff and you search for it. Are you getting it? But if you are working offline, you need to upload it. So now let me teach you how to upload it in an offline way. Are you getting it? Drizzy, thank you. So what you are going to do, you go back to that your local disk. You go back to that your XAMPP. You go back to your htdocs. Then that folder that you created, open the folder. Then once you open the folder, locate for WP content. Where you see WP-content, open it. Now, once you open it, you will see different folders. You will see plugins, you will see themes. Remember, we downloaded theme, we downloaded plugins. So the theme you downloaded, you copy the zip file, go and paste it on the theme folder. The plugins you downloaded, you copy the zip file, go and paste it on the plugin folder. So now I am going to copy my downloaded Elementor. So I'll come to this place and I will search for my what? Elementor. Let me go and pick my Elementor. Now, this is my Elementor, which is my theme. I'm going to carry my theme. I'll copy it like this, and I'll go back to that folder. I said you post theme on theme. Then you post it on this theme. Now, immediately you paste it on your theme. The next thing is extract. Now, for people that were finding it difficult to extract their theme or their zip file, watch me as I extract. Mr. Smog and the rest, you may find it difficult to do that. Watch me as I do it. Now, the next thing you are going to do, you need to have an extractor. If you don't have an extractor, go and download what we call WinRAR extractor. Go and download WinRAR extractor. So if you've installed the extractor, the next thing you need to do is click on it like this, right click on the zip file. You will see WinRAR. Hover on the WinRAR, you will see extract files. But in some cases, if you have zip extractor, just right click on it and extract the files. But I'm using WinRAR. So I'll right click on it. I'll go to WinRAR. I will say extract files. I'll wait for it and I will extract the files. Now I am done extracting. Immediately you are done extracting, delete the zip file. We don't need the zip file again. I'll go back and I'll delete this zip file. Now, once you delete the zip file, the new folder, there is another folder inside. So you open the first folder, you cut the folder inside and paste it back. Watch me, don't be confused. So I'll come back, I'll click on the Elementor Hello 2.9. There is another Elementor inside. Look at it. Then I will cut it. Right click on it and cut. Right click on it and what? Cut. Then go back to the first folder here and drop it here like this. Then once you drop it there, the former folder that contained 2.9.0, delete the folder. Are you getting it? Delete the folder. Now you do the same thing for plugin. I just did it for theme. You are going to do the same thing for plugin. So I am going to pick my plugin and I'm going to do the same thing on my plugin. Let me quickly go and do the same thing on my plugin. I'll pick my plugin, which is Elementor. I'll pick Elementor and I'll pick Classic Editor. Then I'll copy it. I'll go back to my folders. Go back to my folders. I'll go back to plugin and I'll paste it on plugin. I'll paste it on plugin. Now, mind you, I have three zip files. I have Elementor, I have Elementor Pro, I have Classic Editor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract all of them. Just watch me. I right click on it. I go to WinRAR and I extract. I come to the second one, Elementor. I right click on it. I go to WinRAR and I extract. I click OK. Now, I go to my Elementor Pro. I just wait for it to extract. Let me wait for it to extract. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Elementor Pro, right click also, WinRAR, and I'm going to extract files. And I'll click OK. So I'll just wait for it to extract. So that is how you do it. Please follow it step by step. Steen Boys, thank you very much. Let me follow you. Steen Boys, thank you. Let me follow you. Let me see if we've extracted. All right, we've extracted. Now that we've extracted, yeah? Have we extracted? No. We are still extracting. We are still extracting. We're still extracting. Let's wait for it to extract. Are we together, please? If you are still with me, please drop an emoji. Steen Boys, I just followed you. If you are still with me, please drop an emoji. If you are still with me, drop an emoji. If you are still with me, drop an emoji, please. If you are still with me, drop an emoji. If you are still with me, drop an emoji. All right. All right. All right, that's good. So we've extracted that. So let's go back. We've extracted that. Now I am going to delete my three zipped file because I don't need it again. I have deleted it. Remember, I said immediately you extract the folder that you extracted, there is another folder inside. So open it and go and cut that folder and paste it back like this. Christian, don't worry, Christian. If you watch our replay, if you go watch our previous videos, don't worry, you understand, all right? You understand. You understand. So now I will come here, I will open the classic editor. There is another one inside. I will cut it. I will go back and I'll paste it here. Then I will delete the previous folder like this. I'll do the same thing on Elementor. Yeah, I'll cut it. I'll go back. I'll paste it here. Then I'll delete the previous folder. I'll do the same thing for Elementor Pro. I'll click on it. I'll cut it. I'll go back. I'll paste here. And I'm going to delete the previous one. Now, we've done that. Are you getting it, guys? Now, we've done that. So, the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to activate the plugins and the theme. We are going to activate the plugins and the theme. Now that you've uploaded it, you need to activate it. Remember, we are working offline. Remember, we are working offline. Dr. Hi, thank you. Remember, we are working offline. If you are working online, you don't need to upload the way I'm doing it. You just need to search for it and everything will appear and you activate. So now, let's go and activate it. I'll go back to my dashboard here. Then I'm going to refresh this theme. Remember, we clicked on this theme and we've uploaded our theme. So I'm going to refresh it. My theme that I uploaded, that Hello Elementor, is going to appear here. My Hello Elementor is going to appear here. Now, as you can see, this is my Hello Elementor. Is that okay? I was seeing it. That is my Hello Elementor. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to MD Global, welcome. I'm going to activate it. Look at it here. So the next thing you are going to do is click on what? Activate. Now, once you activate, it's going to tell you to install the necessary plugins that need the theme to function well. Remember, I made mention of plugins. So it's going to tell you to install or activate the necessary plugins. Yeah, the necessary plugins that needs to enable the theme to work very well. Omobolake, thank you very much. God bless you too. All right. So now let's go back. As you can see, it's telling me to activate my what? Elementor. Now, how do I activate? I have activated my plugin. The next thing, no, I've activated my theme. The next thing is to activate my plugin. So just the way I click on my theme, I'll come to plugin. I'll click on installed plugin. Remember, we installed the plugin. I'll click on installed plugin. Look at the plugin that I installed here. Classic Editor, Elementor, and Elementor Pro. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight the three. I'll click on this, I'll tick on it, I'll tick on it. Now I will scroll down, I'll click on bulk action, I will see activate and apply. I want to activate the three at once. I am activating the three at once. Now, upon successful activation here, upon successful activation, you should have something like this on your site. Now, if I right click there and I right click, I say view my site now. If I open my site, you will see that my site has opened, but it has not taken any shape. It is not like this one that I am already building right now. So this is how the yama yama look like. It looks rubbish, Abby. It looks rubbish in our face, but when we start building the website, everything will start making sense. So right now, it is not making sense to you, but don't worry. Trust me, if you put your mind here, you become a professional web designer and you start collecting contracts that even you, in 3 6 months from now, you'll be surprised how your life will turn around. Web design is an IT skills that will pay you. I am talking from experience. I am a full-time web developer and an IT consultant and a web designer. This is what I'm using to feed my family. Or let me use what this is what God is using to, bless me with. I know what I'm talking about. I have worked with international companies who I don't even know. but through tech, they know me and I know them. So please don't feel this is too hard. It is not hard. You can do it. It's just for you to just calm down, settle down. Yeah. It's just for you to calm down, settle down. Tell yourself, I can do it. And you are going to do it. Are you getting me? Tell yourself, I can do it. When I started learning, it looked as if I will not know it. But look at me now. I am not the one teaching people. So you too can learn it. Is that okay? Don't look down on yourself. Don't think because I'm a woman or you are a woman, you cannot do it. You can do it. See, this very website I am building for this school in Edo State, they've not seen me before, and I've not seen them before. They just met me online and they said, please, can you help us build a website? I said, no problem. And they paid me and I'm doing their job. I am seated in the comfort of my home. Are you getting me? I am seated in the comfort of my home. I am making money with my tech skill, which is building of websites. So you too can do it. It's just for you to, number one, be optimistic, practice every day, and you are going to get there. So I'm going to stop here. I don't want to bombard our head. All right. We are going to upload this replay to our TikTok, to our YouTube channel, and we are going to post the link to our TikTok page. Go to our TikTok um, channel and subscribe as a class or as a student. We are teaching free of charge. Nobody is collecting you money. This is a free class. You are not paying anything. For 3 months, we are teaching you free of charge. We want everybody to have this skill and start making money. If you have not subscribed to our Telegram channel, go to Telegram and type Learn with Omatech. Go to Telegram and type Learn with Omatech. You are going to see this. Go to Telegram and type Learn with Omatech. You are going to see this. You are going to see this. Yeah. Go to Telegram and type Learn with Omatech. You are going to see this. Now join class. Join the class. Is that okay? Join the class. Join the class. We are going to post that is where we post our replay. Are you getting me? That's where we post our replay. We upload our replay to YouTube and we have it posted to our what? Telegram class. Is that okay? I am going to stop here. If you don't understand anything, if this is your first time that you are joining us, please go to our YouTube channel and watch our videos. This is our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and type Learn with Omatech. Go to YouTube and type Learn with Omatech. Now, if you see Learn with Omatech, we have our previous videos here. So if you are just joining and you seem confused, don't be confused. Go to this place and join us. This is our YouTube channel and we have our videos here. Look at our videos. This is our previous video and we are going to upload this very one and post it here also. So come here and watch it so that you will not be lost. You will not be lost. Is that okay? I'll give room for questions. How can you make money? Christian, you are welcome. Omolabake, you are welcome. Dr. Hi, at the menu of your screen, let me see your question. At the menu of your screen, Dr. Hi, I'm reading your question, all right? At the menu of your screen, follower goals is obstructing views. Right. Oh, okay, follower goals. All right, all right. I hope it's okay. Dr. Hi, I hope it's okay. The next person, uh, Mommy Shepherd, can I use phone? No, Mommy Shepherd, you cannot use phone. You need a laptop. You need a laptop. Christian, I I'm going to your YouTube so I can. All right, Christian, you are free. Christian, you are free to do that. All right, Christian, you are free to do that. Those Okonkwo, why can't you message me? DJ, be clear. Don't be confused. Go to our YouTube and you can watch a replay. Don't be confused. It is very simple. Mommy Shepherd, you can get a good laptop. You can get a good laptop from 4 gig RAM, maybe 2.8 or higher processor. Are you getting me? Sapi, it is a must that you unzip it. It is a must that you unzip it, all right? It is a must that you unzip it. DD Flow, how do I use it to make money? Wow, DD Flow, DD Flow. Let me show you something. Now, look at this website. I am building this website for a school I don't even know, but they contacted me in Edo State. Are you getting me? How do you use it to make money? You do what? You collect contract. If I tell you how much I charge those people to build that school website, you will shout. But I will not tell you so that you will not go and say you have sleepless nights. Mr. Fix It, 8 p.m. every no, not every day. Web design class is Wednesday, 8 p.m. Sam Small. Mr. Smog, I don't understand. Omobalake, same with me, but I must see the end of today. No problem, sir. No problem, sir. Yes, DD Flow, that is it. Ariane, good evening. Our web design class is next every Wednesday. Every Wednesday, 8 p.m. Web design class. Every Wednesday, 8 p.m. Let me stop the recording.